Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing country style ribs in the Ninja Speedy. These things are going to be very, very soft and they're going to be amazing. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright, so real quick, I just want to show you what exactly I am cooking. And they're pork shoulder country style ribs. So you can see that. So make sure you get the right ones from the store. You could do bone in or boneless. Either way, it doesn't matter. They turn out the exact same way that we're going to cook them. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and we'll take it to the next step. All right, so we got the ribs out. Now, I do prefer the bone in ribs, but I couldn't find them this time. Not even a big deal. The boneless or bone in, cook them this way, they both turn out pretty much the exact same way. No difference at all. So now we're just going to go ahead and season them up. Just took them out. We're going to go ahead and season them up. I'm going to use some garlic and herb kinders seasoning, and then a little bit of Bad Byron's butt rub on this as well. But use whatever kind of seasoning that you like. You know, whatever you got in the pantry or whatever. And I just got 2 plates here. It's just easier to kind of move them one at a time. But make sure to season all sides, every side. And you really can't go too heavy with this stuff because it's a pretty big piece of meat. And then go with the Byron's. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on the sides here. Oh yeah, that's going to be amazing. Can't wait. So go ahead and season all of them up. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and then we'll go ahead and meet you at the Ninja. Alright, so here we are at the Ninja. So let's go ahead and get into it. So go ahead and open the Ninja up. And we are going to be using the little roaster thing here, and then just the regular, drip pan that it comes with, obviously. And so we'll go ahead and put this in, and we're going to put this on the bottom. Now we've got our ribs. They're all seasoned up, ready to go. And we're going to put them in here side by side. And actually, one of these actually had a bone in. This one actually has a bone in it, but the other 3 do not. So anyway, no big deal. So we'll put those ribs in. Now the next thing you want to do, actually I should have done this first, but anyway, don't matter. I'll put it on the side, is go in with 2.5 cups of water. Usually, sorry guys, I would have put the water in first, so I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side. I don't want to knock the seasoning off, so 2.5 cups of water. Do not pour it on and, knock all the seasoning off, obviously, but I usually put the water in first. No big deal. So now, close the top. We're going to turn this thing on, and we want to be over on the rapid cook side. We are going to go down to the steam and bake function. This is important. You definitely want to use this function for this. Our temperature, we're going down to 275. Our time, we're going to bump the time up to 50 minutes. Okay, hit start. Now this is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to preheat, which is good because once it starts preheating, it's steaming that meat and it's going to get that process going. So there's a couple steps in between, so we'll see you in the next step. Okay guys, we are counting down. So we went through the preheat, it was counting down, we were at 50, we're going down to 15. I'm going to stop it right there and open it up. Ooh, get that. Ooh, the steam went the opposite way, yay. So 35 minutes in, take a quick look at what they look like, the steam. They look absolutely amazing. And we're going to go ahead and just temp them real quick. Alright, and they should be pretty much done. 195 to 200. Perfect. Okay, so these are done. We're going to take them out and put some sauce on them. Alright, so we just took them out. I actually moved the Ninja a little bit and put the ribs right here. Looking great. Now, we just got some barbecue sauce. Now, actually, in the comments below, let me know. Do you like your ribs with barbecue sauce, without barbecue sauce, with any other kind of sauce? Drop a comment below. And actually what we're using is just going to be some sweet and spicy baby rays, but we're going to go ahead and get this barbecue sauce all over all of these. So I just wanted to kind of show you this real quick. All right, this will take just a couple of minutes. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. And then we're gonna drop them back in for a minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. We'll see you back at the Speedy. All right, guys, so we are back. Now, when we took the ribs out, they're done. They're ready to eat. But I like to have barbecue sauce on mine. Drop that comment, what kind of sauce you like, if you like any. And so we're gonna go ahead and put them right back in the same way they came out. I'll give you a shot of that here in just a second. And for me, I just like to have my barbecue sauce, caramelize a little bit. And anyway, that's what we're looking like. And we still got, we're not gonna do 15 minutes, but we're gonna close the top on this. Now, I'll check it myself, probably after about 5 minutes or so. It's usually about 5 to 7 minutes. I'll let you know how long it's been. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so we're back. So I actually gave, I didn't check, so from 15 to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. And we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look at what we, of course, the dang steam. Get the steam out of the way. Those smell absolutely amazing. And whoa. Yeah. And they are tender and juicy. So I am gonna go ahead and pull these bad boys off. I can't wait. We'll meet you at the cutting board and taste them. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so this is what we ended up with. These are amazing. But enough talking. Let's go ahead and get into one of these. Well, I'll just pick this one. So we're gonna see how tender they actually are. Okay, let's go ahead and pull a little piece. Oh, look at that, just comes right apart, no problem. Wow. And you see I got my napkin over here, obviously, because oh my, let me take a bite of this. That is so good. 1 second. Oh my goodness, I just gotta say, just fall apart, tender. Where's that one? So if you have a chance to get the bone-in ones, like the bone-in one, this is the bone-in one. I would prefer, but it doesn't really matter. Look at that, how it just goes off the bone like that. I just love the bone part. So good. All right, guys, don't go anywhere. I got some words to say. See you up top. All right, we are finished with the cook. And so what I want to say on the outtake here is that you're not going to get a better country style rib unless you want to maybe crock pot them for 4 to 6 hours. I like to smoke mine, but still that's a 4 to 6 hour process as well. This was, even with the preheat time and everything, about an hour. And they're absolutely juicy, tender, fall apart. I hope that stays on the fork there, but just delicious. You know what? You have to, you have to give these a try, and then let me know what you think. I know what you're gonna say is that they're absolutely delicious. So anyway, if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing. If you like the content, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave an awesome comment, and with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.